How to get and collect diamonds on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to collect diamonds on CoinMarketCap easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this settings option down here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options as you can see, but you have to choose my diamonds option right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page right here. This is my diamonds, and if you want to collect diamonds, all what you have to do is go down and click on collect diamonds here and wait a few seconds. And now confirm the captcha as you can see right here, and here you go. I just collected 10 diamonds. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.